Hi everybody. Sorry, I was trying to get this done. Don't mind my hair or anything. I just did some cleaning, so I'm like, whew. Anyways, uh, just made myself some coffee. So let's take a sip. Yum yum. Anyways, I'm in the kitchen, of course, chinch it up. This is really bugging me. What are you? Fuzz. Sorry, it was really bugging me. Anyways, I'm gonna do my Birchbox. I got another magnet bag. I think I'm gonna keep, of course, keep these, but because these will be great for like gift boxes and stuff. So, anyways, in here I have beauty routine, and these are the things that I got. So let's get started. So I made this look nice. I made it look nice because it was a hot mess. Not a lot of the little package doodads. So yeah. Okay, let's start with these two things that are the same company but different. Let's see, we have serum. Okay. Oh, that one white. Okay, what? How can I tell which one is serum? Brightening. Oh, oh, okay, okay. Sorry, I have to like. Alright. Okay, so this is the. Okay, so I think this is the face cleansing. Oh yeah, I think yeah, it is. Okay, there it is. Okay, thank you. Because I was very confused. So I have this clarifying. Sorry, I'm saying that wrong. Cleansing facial serum wipe. Um, well, they're pads, but these are wipes. There's one. So there's that one. Oh, and the full size for that is $12, and then same brand, but in a brightening one. Brightening facial serum pad, full size is 15. They just come in boxes, so they don't, so you can take one and all that stuff. Sorry, I was confused because I was trying to figure out which one I didn't want to mess up. Okay, and then we have. Take this out. Oh, there's truffle eye serum. Sounds weird. Just this little guy. Cute, kind of cute packaging. Full oh shoot. Okay, I definitely not. I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this eye cream because the full size is $114. Can you stop giving me something that's very pricey that I might like and I can't afford? Thank you, Birchbox. Thank you. Okay, next is I want to do. Where's that one? Oh, it's right there in my hand. Oh, there it is. Okay, and it's this hydro acid serum. Just this little guy here. Let's see, full size is $28. Um, it leaves your skin hydrated, which is great for this weird spring season. Let's see. Uh, then we have this Hero Cleanse. Oh, I have a different one. I think I have a one of these. I think, but different color. Anyways, this is a clarifying something moisturizer. Full size is $12.99. So that's that. And the last product is this Wonder Beauty Dry Away Cleanser. God, I have so many cleansers. That's good. So that's that. The full size is $32. So yeah, not too bad. Except the icer, I'm like, okay, thank you. Okay, anyways, and this is what's in the box. Ooh, it matches Kobe Bryant's jersey color. But it'd be nice if this is glass, by the way. So when I saw there's not a lot of stuffing and they have a doodad, I'm like, oh, if that thing broke and busted, I will complain to Birchbox because come on, you don't do that. So that's what I have in my Birchbox. Hope you guys like what I got. I'm really excited what I got. A lot of new stuff. I'm happy that they're getting their new stuff in. And I like the new boxes. I really like these. These are cool. Yeah. I hope you have a good morning and a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yesterday, I didn't work because I worked Thursday helping for the Easter lunch, and I was so tired. So yesterday I made it a rest day for me. I did a little bit of cleaning, do a little bit of motivation, just move around a little bit. Rest of the day I just took care of my body and rest my body, get enough sleep. I was still tired. So and by the way, update, we're not using hunger root because it's very expensive, but we did enjoy it. We enjoyed the meals and stuff, and I have doing really good. I have lost some weight. My stomach is changing a little, so I have my little bit more energy that I used to. So yeah, that's doing good. I'm doing good. Just working on take care of myself and give myself some rest. And if I don't feel like doing a video for you guys, just understand that. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy my breakfast and finish cleaning because this kitchen is a hot mess. Yeah. I love you guys. Be safe and yeah. Bye, guys.